Good morning to all. I am Dr. M. Sangeeta, Associate Professor in Dr. NGP College, Department of Mathematics. Welcome to the interesting topic in mathematics. So far, we look out module likelihood estimator in the context of advanced statistics. It is used in the wireless communication system. Let us to now statistical something analytical community. Let us talk about today the more fundamental Kramers-Rao bound and also abbreviated CRB. In this video, what is CRB? Kramers-Rao bound. It represents fundamental lower bound on a variance of the estimator. Here in this video, Rao-Kramer lower bound and efficiency we discussed and regularity conditions. What is probability density function? Derivatives of Kramer-Rao bound, expectation value, log likelihood, probability density function. To derive the CRB, Kramers-Rao lower bound, let us start with the parameter likelihood function H, and this is the likelihood parameter P of y bar semicolon H. Here H is the unknown parameter, y bar is the vector observation. Therefore, the likelihood function is the probability density function. Here derive the Kramers-Rao lower bound of the estimator. This is hence the naturally the integral of the probability density function is exactly equal to 1. Now we move this derivative operation inside, basically move this inside. What we have, integral partial derivative of the density function dy bar is equal to 0. Integral minus infinity to plus infinity partial derivative with respect to h, p of y bar parameterized by h dy bar is equal to 0. And now observe something multiple and divide by this probability p of y bar semicolon h. It is a parameterized by h which is equal to 0. That means that implies integral minus infinity to plus infinity 1 by p y bar parameterized by h partial derivative with respect to p of y bar parameterized by h into probability of p of y bar parameterized by h into dy bar is equal to 0. Now we observe this is a quantity. This is nothing but the partial derivative by likelihood function. This is the partial derivative naturally logarithmic of the p of y bar semicolon h. By the previous integral, this is nothing but logarithmic of the derivative 1 by p of y bar parameterized by h, dou by dou h of p of y bar parameterized by h is the logarithmic of the derivative. That implies now that can be multiplied with both side h by the unknown parameter. So h is the integral of the derivative of the log likelihood probability p of y bar semicolon parameterized by h times. But therefore this implies h into integral minus infinity to plus infinity partial derivative with respect to h logarithmic of p of y bar semicolon parameterized by h probability of y bar parameterized by h into dy bar that is equal to 0 into h that is equal to 0. Therefore, this probability of the integral is equal to 0. Say this equation number 1. Next, consider the unbiased estimator. That unbiased estimator is the expected value of h hat is equal to h. So this implies integral minus infinity to plus infinity h hat probability of y bar parameterized by h dy bar is equal to h. This is the average value. Therefore, here defined E of h bar is equal to h. So we are moving inside the integral minus infinity to infinity h hat dou by dou h p of y bar parameterized by h dy bar equal to 1. Now multiply by divide p of y bar parameterized by h. So multiplying and dividing by p of y bar parameterized by h. I have integral minus infinity to plus infinity h hat. First dividing 1 divided by p of y bar h dou by dou h p of y bar parameterized by h into p of y bar parameterized by h into dy bar equal to 1. Now let us this quantity 1 by p of y bar parameterized by h into partial derivative of p of y bar parameterized h is nothing but dou by dou h of log of p of y bar parameterized h. This is the partial derivative log likelihood function. So the probability density function of p of y bar parameterized h. Therefore, this implies that integral minus infinity to plus infinity 1 divided by p of y bar parameterized h hat dou by dou h p of y bar parameterized h p of y bar parameterized h into dy bar equal to 1. So this equation number 2 that implies 1 by p of y bar by comma h into dou by dou h of p of y bar comma h is the partial derivative of the log likelihood function. Therefore, the equation 2 implies that integral minus infinity to plus infinity h hat into dou by dou h log p of y bar parameterized h times p of y bar parameterized h times into dy bar is equal to 1. This is equation number 2. Let us call this result number 2. So here derive the equation 2 basically is as the result number 2. So previously we derived result number 1. Now derive result number 2. Now let us subtract equation 2 and equation 1. Therefore result number 2 minus result number 1. What we have remember, let us write again, convenience could be better to derive both the results equation 2 and equation 1. So it is basically equation 2 implies integral minus infinity to plus infinity h hat dou by dou h log p of y bar parameterized h into p of y bar parameterized h into dy bar equal to 1, and equation 1 implies integral minus infinity to plus infinity h into dou by dou h log of p y bar parameterized h into p of y bar h times d of y bar is equal to 0. In fact, now performing equation 2 minus equation 1 implies now if we here that equation 2 minus 1 implies integral minus infinity to plus infinity h hat minus h dou by dou h log of p y bar parameterized h into p of y bar h times dy bar is equal to 1. This is the quantity h bar minus h is the estimation error. Here h bar minus h is called the estimation error. Now, if we look at this, first and second is the derivative of log likelihood function and estimator error, which means this is basically nothing that is equal to expected value h hat minus h times of the error into the partial derivative dou by dou h of log likelihood function of p of y bar parameterized h product is equal to 1. So, look at this understanding clear thinking. E of expected of h bar h hat minus h into dou by dou h log p of y bar parameterized h is equal to 1, which is the state that expected value of the h hat minus h is the product times derivative of the log likelihood function of the probability density function parameter h with respect to h is equal to 1. And we know about Cauchy-Schwarz inequality for two random variables x and y such that e of x square into e of y square is greater than or equal to e squared of x comma y, x into y. And now, therefore, the quantity of the product treating this random variable x as h hat minus h and y as the partial derivative dou by dou h of log p of y bar parameterized h. Therefore, here implies the Cauchy-Schwarz inequality e of h hat minus h whole square into e of dou of log p of y bar parameterized h by dou h that whole square is greater than or equal to e square of h hat minus h into dou by dou h log of p y bar comma h that is exactly equal to 1 square is equal to 1. Therefore, here e of h hat minus h whole square into e of dou log p of y bar parameterized h by dou h that whole square is greater than or equal to 1. Now, here e of h hat minus h that whole square is greater than or equal to 1 divided by expected of partial derivative of the logarithmic log likelihood probability p of y bar parameterized h that whole square. Now, this is 1 over expected value of the derivation log likelihood function p of y bar parameterized h by dou h. Now, we can see that basically this is called as the fundamental bound of the Cramer-Rao estimator. This is basically nothing but this basically Cramer-Rao bound CRB. What here derived this states that the expected value of the h hat minus h whole square. That is basically the variance of the estimator is particularly so long as it is unbiased estimator. So any particular H hat as unbiased estimator of the variance. So it is greater than or equal to 1 over the expected value of the squared of the derivative of log likelihood function of H is greater than or equal to 1. This is to the fundamental bound of the Rao-Kramer estimator. Therefore, this is called the CRB variance of the estimator. On the whole, we learn about what is Rao-Kramer's lower bound and its efficiency, regularity conditions, probability density function, and derivative of CRB, that means Kramer's-Rao bound, expected value, log likelihood probability density function. Thank you for watching this video.